Chapter 1. Computer in Our Life. Learning Objective. Introduction of Computer. Computer generations. History of computer. Types of computer. The name computer, as you know, comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. So, earliest computers were just calculating devices. As the human race evolved, so developed their social and commercial activities, and with these developments was felt the need of some calculating devices. Let us read about how computers have developed over time with it. Abacus. The earliest calculating device is accounted to be the abacus. It was invented by the Babylonians in around 500 BC. An abacus consisted of a wooden frame, rods and beads. Each rod represented a different place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Addition and subtraction could easily be performed by moving beads along the rods of the abacus. Abacus. Fact Corner. Special abacuses have been developed and are used by the blind children to learn addition, subtraction and multiplication. Napier's rods. The second calculating machine was Napier's rods. It was also known as Napier's bones. It was invented by John Napier, a mathematician from Scotland, in 1617. It could do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This method was based upon manipulation of rods with printed digits. The rods were made of bone, ivory, wood or metal. Pascal line. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented a mechanical computer called Pascal line. It reproduced information in an organized manner. This device used a series of toothed wheels, which were turned by hand and which would handle numbers up to 999,999.999. Pascal line. Leibniz's calculator. It was an improvement on Pascal's machine. It was improved by Leibniz, a famous German mathematician. It could perform multiplication, division and square roots apart from addition and subtraction. Leibniz's calculator. Analytical engine. Analytical engine was designed by Charles Babbage. It contained an arithmetic logic unit, A, L, U, basic flow control, punch cards and integrated memory. It was the first general-purpose computer concept. This machine had all the basic features still found in all modern computers. Analytical engine. Fact Corner. For giving the idea of the analytical engine, Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. ENIAC. The ENIAC was the first general-purpose modern electronic computer. It was built in 1944 by J.P. Eckert and John Mauchly. It was, however, very big in size, consumed a lot of electricity and gave out a lot of heat. Computer generations. Each generation of computer is characterized by a major technological development that fundamentally changed the way computers operate, resulting in increasingly smaller, cheaper, more powerful and more efficient and reliable devices. Electronic computers are mainly classified into 5 generations. These are: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. Types of computers. Since the advent of the first computer, different types and sizes of computers are offering different services. Computers can be as big as occupying a large building and as small as a laptop or a microcontroller in mobile and embedded systems. The 4 basic types of computers are as under: supercomputer, minicomputer, mainframe computer, microcomputer, concise. An abacus consisted of a wooden frame, rods and beads. The second calculating machine was Napier's rods. Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician. Analytical engine contained A, L, U. There are four basic types of computers.